Hello guys, new POCO F5. This version 12GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. POCO F5 white. Okay, look, completion. In completion we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot and documentary. Adapter with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay. Talk about device. Triple camera on the back side. On the front side, almost 6.7-inch display. On this side, power button and warm buttons. Power button with fingerprint scanner. On the upside, headphones jack. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, and slot for only two nano SIM cards. Okay, turn on display. About phone, we have MIUI Global 14.0.4, Android 13. For this, look on total benchmark results. We have over 1 million points, perfect results, very good results. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 and Adreno 725 this GPU. Okay, perfect results and perfect gameplay on all games. Diablo Immortal, Standoff 2, Genshin Impact, PUBG Mobile on the max graphic level, game works perfect. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.